Good morning guys, today I am back with another video. In fact, there has been a request from a lot of section of my viewers and friends that why not you wash and detail a different car. In fact, I was looking for a donor's car, and thanks to my subscriber Miss Shanchari, who has provided this particular i10 Neos. This is the aqua teal color, and this is very dirty. Let me show you guys. So I will wash this, detail it, and then I will show you the result. For this I will go for a foam wash. As you can see, it's very dirty. I will go for a foam wash, and finally I will apply ceramic wet wax to give it a protection. Now the first job will be wash the car thoroughly. So we will start from the wheels because most of the dirt is accumulated over there. Pressure washer actually reduces your labor, and not only that, it helps to enhance your process. So I recommend you purchase a pressure washer that will be helpful for this type of jobs. Also the undercarriage needs some wash.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Shake the shampoo bottle thoroughly so that it mixes well with the water and form a rich lather. Now I will apply foam so that I can remove all the dirt effectively.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign.
The shampoo I am using here is Autospa Speciality Foam Shampoo. This is a very good quality shampoo, and if you are interested you can buy it from my link.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
Now I will rub it gently with the help of a wash mitt. This is a standard practice, and if you don't have a wash mitt you can use a applicator sponge, or you can even use a good quality microfiber cloth. So I will do this for the entire car so that all traces of loose dirt is removed from the car body.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day.
Use a good quality tire brush so that all the dirts are removed effectively. Now clean the whole car with a pressure washer again to remove all the traces of shampoo and soap to make it ready for applying wet wax. This is Turtle Wax ceramic wet wax, which should be applied after a car wash, and this is a very good quality wax with ceramic properties. So it have both the hydrophobic properties, and not only that, it is easy on and easy off. Just spray it on a wet car, wipe it dry with the help of a microfiber cloth, and buff it to a shine. So anybody can use this particular product. I have applied 2 to 3 sprays in each panel, and now I am buffing it off. Always remember to apply this product when the car is wet, and 2 persons will be helpful to do this job. One will just wipe the wet wax and another one will buff it, so it will be a quicker process for you and it will reduce your labor substantially.
I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight.
Now I am applying polishing cloth to give the final shine back. For this I will be using a light quality cloth all are microfiber, but it is of lighter GSM which is required for polishing purposes. This is for the final buffing. So like this I will do to the entire car. Now polish for all black areas, so they give a good black wet look, and also some tire polish.
Lose your grip and lose a gift, oh! I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody?
I have applied some shampoo and cleaning all the interiors with the help of a spray. So all the door pads have been cleaned like this. So you can see how clean it has become. It was absolutely dirty and full of dust. First I have dusted the entire area, and then with the help of a spray shampoo, in fact it's a lady driven car, so you can understand very well the idles, the decoration she has done. Now some specialty dashboard polish for the dashboard areas to give it an enhanced look and protection. So finally the entire job is complete. Around 2 to 3 hours, in fact around 3 hours it took to detail this particular car. I have cleaned the entire body, shampoo it, then applied ceramic wax. Interior has been vacuumed and all the door pads have been applied with polish, and you can see not a single trace of dirt or any dust is visible. The frontal area, the dashboards, everything has been cleaned and detailed. All the seats, the floor cavities, everything looks absolutely spotless and shiny. All the tires have been applied with tire polish, and you can see the car is giving a very good gloss and shine. In fact it's giving a mirror gloss that is expected from this wet wax, and it's very easy to apply. So I specially thank Sanchari for providing this donor car for my project, and if you have liked this video, please do subscribe, and if you have any comments regarding this detailing project, feel free to contact me in the comment section below. Thank you very much and goodbye, and thanks for watching.